Hi Disney friends, Gina Mitchak here, the Disney travel professional with iBook Travel for You. Welcome, I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about it's an interesting topic. It's a question I get a lot. Why should I use a travel agent? Or do travel agents really still exist? Or who needs a travel agent to go to Disney? I'm going to answer that question and stick around because I'm also going to tell you how much that service of using a travel agent really costs. And that's just not me, any travel agent you use. So let's get started. One of the first things that you should consider in why you should use a travel agent is that I'm very familiar with the travel market. I am familiar with, in my niche, it would be Disney and Universal. So I'm familiar with those two theme parks. I'm familiar with their layouts. I'm familiar with everything that encompasses that part of the travel world. So when you're looking for someone who knows what they're talking about, you'd want to go to a travel agent. We can match you with the best product. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. I'm going to determine, should you do a split stay between Disney and Universal, or maybe your family is better suited to go to Universal for the entire length of your trip versus Disney, and vice versa. So a travel agent will help match you best to the product that they think you will enjoy the most. And as a travel agent, we'll be your advocate. If something goes wrong along your trip, we're there to go to bat for you. We're there to make the phone calls to the concierge lounge. We're there to make the phone calls to the front desk. We're there to help you when something goes wrong. Disney parks as well as Universal resorts, they both have on-site customer service stations, which we also can refer you to, but we're the ones who are going to be on the phone making those phone calls to help you out. Oftentimes a travel agent can save you money, but not in ways that you think. We can save you money by applying promos that suppliers, in my case, Disney or Universal, release. They release them to the general public. They tell us about them first. Then we as travel agents can go in, look to see if our clients are traveling at that specific promo time, and we're the ones on the phone making the call to the theme parks to see, does my client apply for this promo? So you don't have to remind us. You don't have to worry. Did I miss that promo? Because that's part of our job, is to be looking for the promotions and discounts that the suppliers release. So with that being said, I don't have Disney discounts in my pocket. I don't have secret Universal rates that I can give you as a travel agent. I get them directly from the supplier. There are added perks to working with a travel agent. That family next to you at the dinner table had a wonderful birthday cake brought out by the waitress. They didn't order it. Maybe their travel agent did for them. As a Disney destination specialist, I can do that for my clients, and I have. I can send champagne on cruise ships. I can make sure that your room looks, birthday ready when you check in. It's an added perk that doesn't cost you anything. Time is valuable. Your time is valuable. We want to help you save time. So we're the ones on hold, calling the suppliers, making the reservations, making the changes, adding a day, adding a special event, buying tickets to the ticketed event that you want. You just have to shoot us a text, send us an email. We're the ones who are doing it while you're off doing whatever makes you happy. A travel agent provides personal touches. We are a human element. Sure, you can book your trips online. Absolutely. You can go to big box stores. You can go online. You can look for discounts yourself. You can find discounted rates online yourself. But you're missing out on that human element. I'm going to be there when you want a text from Disney. I'm going to be there when you need to talk at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Tuesday because you're a little concerned about the resort that we picked for you. I can make it all make sense with a personal touch. With that being said, how much do all these services cost? Well, you're going to be surprised. It's zero. We do not charge for our services. You do not pay your travel agent directly. You don't pay anyone. The supplier, in my case, Disney or Universal, pays me after a client returns from their trip. So think of it this way. If you book a trip for December of 2024 with me, I won't get paid until you return from your Disney 2024 trip. And the cost that you see on the consumer site is the same price I'm looking at on the agent site, which means the price for working with a travel agent has already been built in to the cost. So if you're not using a travel agent, you're losing out because technically the money's already being spent on the package. So just think about that next time you're online and you're scrambling to figure out what's the best package at Disney, what's the best package at Universal. If you would have used a travel agent, you would have not had to ask yourself those questions. So there you have it, great reasons why you should use a travel agent. And if you're interested in working with me to plan your next Disney or Universal vacation, there's a link in the comments below that you can click on to schedule your complimentary phone call to talk with me about planning that trip. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Almost There, Travel by Gina. And I will be sharing all the tips and tricks that I can with you to help you decide if Disney and Universal are the best places for you to go. So thanks and have a magical day.